I know what you're thinking. You're like, yeah, right, man. $300,000 a year business on your lunch break? Dude, what are you trying to sell me? And that's fair. I get it. I know it sounds like something you would see on a late night infomercial from the ShamWow guy. But stick with me for 2 minutes, because once you understand the model, and I mean really understand it, that number's not going to sound crazy. If anything, it's going to sound like the most logical thing you've heard at least all week. And here's the honest version of what I'm saying. You are not going to run every part of this business on your lunch break. There will be work outside of that hour, especially early on, like setting up your business, actually doing the walkthroughs, finding your first cleaners, and actually building your systems out. But once you actually get all of that set up, which should only take a few weeks when you know what you're doing, well, now the rest of it could be run from your laptop. And if you just give me a few minutes, you're going to understand exactly what that looks like, and you're going to know why it's true. And then from this point on, you're going to look at your lunch break completely differently from now on. But quickly, before I dive in, if you're new to me and my content, my name is Mike Mack. I've built, scaled, and sold 2 different cleaning businesses, and now I'm on my 3rd cleaning business in a new state. 45 days into it, it's already doing 6 figures, and I haven't even turned on my marketing yet. I tell you that so you understand that you're on the right channel and you're listening to the right person when it comes to building this type of cleaning business. So now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. Most people, when they think about starting a cleaning business, they go about it the wrong way. They picture dozens of clients, residential homes, some commercial spaces, a big operation with tons of moving parts, and that's going to demand all their time. So yeah, if that's the kind of cleaning business you came into this video thinking I was talking about, yeah, you're right. You cannot build that type of business without burning out, without it taking all your time. But this is not that model. This is the Mike Mack model. And here's exactly what it looks like. You target a small number of high-ticket office cleaning contracts, professional buildings, just businesses that are paying for cleaning every single week, and they have a real budget. 5 clients at $5,000 per month is $25,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue. That's $300,000 per year from just 5 yeses, from 5 of the countless offices you drive past every single day. Not 50 clients, not 100 transactions, 5 relationships with 5 businesses that pay you the same amount every single month like clockwork. So when the model is actually that simple, the time it takes to run it, it's going to be simple too. Now, here's the part that is going to make this stick for someone who's trying to do this while working full time. You're not doing any of the cleaning ever. Your cleaners are going to show up, they're going to do the work, supplies will get dropped off directly into the location, your clients are going to get the services they paid for, and you are going to get paid. Your job is not the labor. Your job is the relationships. And here's what managing high-ticket relationships actually looks like day to day so you can understand. A client, if they reach out, you respond. If a walkthrough gets scheduled, you handle it. If a cleaner has a question, just answer them. I mean, I hate to sound overly simplistic, but that's the gist of this. This is not a full-time job. Managing this business on the regular, with the exception if you're putting out a fire one day, most of this can be done taking up 30% of that lunch break. And now, what about the other 70% of that lunch break? Well, you're going to focus on what actually drives growth. Finding the right businesses, getting your marketing in front of decision makers, following up on conversations, booking more walkthroughs, and all of that can be done from your laptop, which means it could be done during your lunch break. And for the most part, that's it. One focused hour, no cleaning, no supply runs, no managing a crew in real time. I just want you to focus on the highest leverage activity in the entire business, and that's creating new conversations that are going to turn into contracts and keeping your existing clients and cleaners happy. I want to also be very straight with you about something important. I am not telling you that you will never have to leave your laptop. About 80% of what drives business forward can absolutely be done from your computer. The outreach, the follow-up, the scheduling, and most of the communication. But in the beginning, yes, there will be moments where you need to show up in person. Your walkthroughs, introducing your cleaners to a new account, making sure the first few nights at each location, well, they go smoothly. That is actually real. And I am not in any way trying to hide it. I'm not trying to make this seem like a lifestyle type of business. But here's why this does work perfectly for someone with a full-time job. And that's because all the cleaning is going to happen at night. Your clients are not asking you to show up anywhere at 9 a.m. The crew goes in after hours, which means all the in-person moments like walkthroughs, the account introductions, those can happen on your schedule, before work, after work, on a lunch break, whenever it makes sense for both parties. And because of that, it never never has to conflict with your job. And the goal from day one, not eventually, is automation through delegation. Every time you bring in on a cleaner, every time you put a system in place, every time you train someone to handle something you used to handle yourself, you're gonna buy bit and bit more and more of your time. And that is the mindset. Not, I'm gonna delegate when I get big enough. No, you're gonna delegate from day one so your company can get big enough. The end goal is a business where your main job is relationships and growth. And you can handle both of those things from your laptop on your lunch break. So here's what I want you to take away from this, because it's very important. You do not need to quit your job to start this business. You do not need a wide open schedule to make this happen. You only need 1 to 2 focused hours per day on the right business model, a model where fewer clients pay more, where cleaning is delegated, and where systems are simple, and where the owner, you, spends all of your time on just managing sales and relationships, not the labor, not the logistics, and not the chaos. No, you just spend 1 hour on this business consistently, and it's going to compound quietly while you keep your check. And that is what the $300,000 per year business looks like on your lunch break. If you want help building this right from day one, I want you to click the link in the first description, have a call with my team, see how we can help you build it. If you're not ready for that, you want to learn a little bit more first, that's fine. Go check out this video right here. I'm waiting for you. I can't wait to share what I got there. I'll see you over there.